In this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy email to your Shopify store. So for example, when someone places an order on your Shopify store, you want to send them an email using your GoDaddy email. In this video, I'll show you how to set that up. First, what you want to do is just open up GoDaddy, go to email and then overview. Now you do already need to have an email for this. If you don't, just go to domain right here. Make sure you buy a domain, and then with that domain you can go products and buy an email inbox. For me it cost about $25 per year. Right here I already have one, so after doing that, go to email and click overview. Then here you have your email, just click sign in, and once you are signed in, for me it's Outlook, so you will have your inbox. Now go to Shopify and click settings right here. Then what you can do is here just click search and search for sender email and click sender email right here. Then here you need to enter the email that you have on GoDaddy. So currently we are using this domain right here for sending emails. Obviously not very professional. So what I'll do is just type in the email right here that I have on GoDaddy, danny@dannystutorials.live. Then from there click save. They will then send you an email to this email address to verify that you actually have access to it. So right here in Outlook, I now have an email here which I can open up and then click verify email. And now I have verified this email address. So now what you'll see is if I open the messaging app from Shopify, then under settings, we can now see my email has been verified. And we can now use this email to send out emails. So you can now set up your templates, send messages, etc. So now you know how to connect your GoDaddy email to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.